At HAPLAST, we believe that business growth begins with people. That's why continuous learning and professional development are at the heart of our company culture. Through regular training programs, our teams strengthen their industry knowledge, improve professional skills, and stay prepared for the evolving demands of global markets. These sessions are designed not only to enhance expertise, but also to encourage collaboration, innovation, and continuous improvement. Learning at HAPLAST is engaging and interactive. Team-building activities and mini-games create an energetic environment where employees can connect, exchange ideas, and learn together. Recognizing achievement is an important part of our culture. During the event, outstanding sales professionals were honored for their dedication, performance, and contribution to the company's success. Their accomplishments inspire the entire team to keep striving for excellence. By investing in people, fostering continuous learning, and celebrating success, HAPLAST is building a stronger team ready to create greater value for customers worldwide. HAPLAST, growing together, succeeding together.